I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why you need to be investing in new construction over rehabbed properties. The first reason, which should come at no surprise, is less maintenance. Everything is brand new. You have builder warranties and guarantees on all the CapEx items. The second reason to invest in new construction is generally better appreciation. This is both in rents and market value. When you're building a new house, it's going to be in an area that's in the path in progress, that has high rental demand, in areas that are going to have stronger long-term projections. The third important reason to invest in new construction is tenant quality. They're going to demand higher rents. We found this to be true over a decade of investing in new construction as well as older homes and new construction. The fourth reason to invest in new construction is, in many cases, especially right now, you can come into a newly built house that has immediate equity, allowing you to expedite your financial goals. And the fifth reason to invest in build-to-rent properties is you have more availability to use a house for a number of different purposes. You can furnish it and use it as a short-term rental. You can furnish it and have a mid-term rental. You can use it as a long-term rental depending on the location, but you have many different financing options, often with less money down. We have some options where we can purchase brand new construction with as little as 5% down with portfolio loans that we use. So it just allows you to be a more creative investor. So those are the 5 reasons to invest in new construction over this next year to allow you to be a successful investor.